what I received some tweeters for repair, but outside Germany from Asia. So it's security checked, and let's have a look what is inside the package. Okay, foil, cables, and yes, this looks like Ionophones. So here we have it. One ionophone, huh. 115 volts. And yes, they are not very well packed. So here you can see this is damage from not very well packing. Second one. Third one has also dents here on the side. I don't know if this is from shipping or was. And here also dent. DuKane 40. DuKane Corporation, Illinois. It looks original with the original old paper and oil capacitors. Fine. Hello and welcome to my channel. It's a long time ago when I had made my last video, I think about 1 year or so. And I want to show now a kind of plasma speaker which I haven't shown in the last videos, and these are the DuKane Ionophones. So I make this video for someone who sent me a set of 4 videos. It's Winston. When you see this video, I'm sorry. It's 6 weeks ago that he had sent me his ionophones, and in the meantime I had a little bicycle accident and broke my shin bone, so I had a plaster on the shin bone, and my workspace here is in the first floor, and I had to go up some stairs, and my mechanical workbench is outside in the garden, and walking in that way is also a little bit, what I say, with the plaster on the leg, it's not so good. Okay, so your ionophones are in the work, but I will show you some little things that I have done and I can show so far. Okay, so first of all, I think you know these DuKane Ionophones. This is the power supply, and fixed with the power supply is the area where the high power is, and the area where the plasma is made. The plasma cell is outside now. Here it's not in, it was broken. And common failure on this kind of speakers are always the power supplies. These are the electrolytic condensers, and they were always gone. Sometimes the diodes are gone, sometimes not. And you can see here, this is the main transformer for the heating of the plate, or sorry, of the tube. And this is the little audio transformer here. And on the other side, this is the speaker input. This is on off switch. And here is the fuse. The fuse cap is missing. So this is hardwired. This is hardwired to the front end with the horn. And what is also always there, these wires are gone. They are very brittle and the isolation falls off. Yeah, I think I have to make a little bit more light, so maybe it's better now. Yeah, focus. Yeah, this is the isolation which is gone. So, and I have here one of the tweeters. There were the electrolytic capacitors already changed, but here is also these lines were very damaged. So I have cleaned this, and there is another thing which you have always to do. So here is the coil where the high power is transformed. It's wound with silver wire. I don't know why this camera is not focusing. Hey, focus! So here you have this ceramic spacer where the electrode is in and the plasma quartz cell. And what you have to do when you are renovating this is to clean this ceramic spacer. So, because there is a lot of high frequency energy is coming to this wire from the coil, and if this here is dirty, the most of the high frequency power is going over this dirt here to this wire, and the case is the ground. So most of the HF is then transferred to ground, and it's not in your plasma chamber. So therefore it's not igniting. So this is one of the common problems with this ionic tweeters. Also you have to clean the coil. So I have already cleaned this coil. You can see that it's looking good. And if we look, for example, to this coil is very dirty. And here is also a lot of high frequency energy is transferred to the ceramic, which is also dirty, and the dirt transfers the high frequency to the ground. So, and in some cases I received this. This is broken, and I think I have to make a new PCB for that. So what I always doing is I renew the wire, and if you look here, you will see that this wire is going to the HF unit, and this is a separate ground cable which is screwed here to the chassis, and it's also grounded here in the power supply. So, and what I'm doing always when I'm renovating this, I put in a new wire, and this new wire is shielded. You see it here. This new wire is shielded, and these are the 4 cables you need for ground, for heater, for anode supply, and for grid supply modulation. And this is the ground, and it's inside this wire, so you have not this wire with the round wrapped ground. So, and the next thing, so in this case I will also supply this tweeter with a connector. This is a 5-pin connector, and I will mount this connector in the power supply, so then you can separate the tweeter and the power supply easily. So this is what I'm doing for renovating this tweeters. So now let's talk about the plasma cell and the electrodes. So here I have a batch of new electrodes, and here is the batch of new glass cells. So I have 20 sets available, and these are the old glass cells. And these are the new ones. So old one, new one, focus. So here we have the glass cells. This is a new one and this is the old one. And if I took some isopropyl alcohol, you can see through the glass and see how it's made. So these are the electrodes, and they are coming inside here. And inside here. So this old glass cell I have already cleaned a little bit, so we can use this for the next time. So this is also a cleaned glass cell, old one. This way around. So that's for now, little update on the progress, and I will make new PCBs for the power supplies, and this you can see in the second part of the video. So thanks for now and bye.